good morning, I'm putting up my hair. Good morning, I'm dancing to the van.
I need a radio.
Good morning, vlog.
Good morning. We spent our first official night in the van last night.
It was comfortable.
It was very comfortable.
I fit like literally from end to end to the bed almost exactly, which makes it a little tight, but I mean, luckily we didn't use like 2x4s on the walls because it would have been out even a little more. We wound up going with like the wide bed. It was super comfortable last night. Nobody bothered us, nobody knocked on the windows. We put up like things so that way nobody could see in. Yeah.
We were like a little bit nervous last night about where we were gonna park, and where we were gonna go, and we ended up in the parking lot of a hotel, which is like kind of like staying at a hotel, but just your hotel's in your car.
We also are in like upstate New York, which is like a little bit of a slower paced place. I think if we were still in like Brooklyn or within the city limits, we probably would have just parked on the street. You know, I don't know if that would have went any different or not, but you know, I feel like we're pretty blessed, and you know, for the most part, you know, I think even if we were in the city, we probably would have had like a similar feeling or time.
And I only missed the pee bucket like a little bit.
This morning was pretty funny.
But then I decided to give up on the pee bucket and just go into the hotel and use the hotel, which was totally fine. So now we're gonna continue our journey. We're driving to Watkins Glen, which is like a state park, and it's supposed to be really beautiful.
It's a waterfall, right?
I don't know, babe. There's definitely water there.
Isn't it Watkins Glen Falls?
I don't
Watkins Glen Falls. Oh. Well, we'll see.
Yeah, there's water. It's like a cave, more like.
Ooh, I like caves.
I don't know. Yeah.
Are there bats in there?
So we're gonna go there. We're gonna go for a hike, and then we're gonna head to Canada. So let's go.
So see you guys at Watkins Glen. And welcome to Watkins Glen. Is that the name of it? It is,
yeah.
Right? Okay. Watkins Glen has a whopping total of 19 waterfalls. Some really small, others pretty freaking big. So I asked myself, what makes a waterfall a waterfall? Is there a height requirement? I would think so. Turns out, it's only 5 feet. We may or may not have seen all 19 waterfalls on camera, so you guys should go and check this place out for sure. This hike was an amazing experience, especially because it also happened to be after the first night sleeping in our van. Welcome to the Spiral Tunnel. Hello! It also echoes. We stacked, walked, and climbed on rocks. That night, we slept like a rock. After the Spiral Tunnel, you get a treat. Look at this. I wonder if you can drink this. Got me in the eye. There definitely has to be turquoise in those rocks.
Hey,
that's the way you check for turquoise.
That's bullshit.
You throw a little leaf down at it. If it turns green, you got turquoise.
Incorrect facts.
Ready?
Alright guys, we found the first waterfall at Watkins Glen.
Isn't she a beaut?
Furiously roaring.
Number 2.
Haven Cascade. That's what this is called. That's so beautiful, huh? It's like a snake. It's pretty cool how the natural breakup of the fall, as it comes into this little area, it had these little holes where water could build up, and then it gets to a certain point where the water could then move on. But if that fall stopped, these little ponds, these little holes right here, would stop filling up, and then you wouldn't have continued fall. Like, look at the color of it over there. It looks like that greenish color like you would see in the ocean, you know? So it must be like some type of turquoise or something in the rock over there. Man, what an amazing first day of living. So far, what do you guys think? It's so beautiful here, I think. Just let me know in the comments below. I mean, look at this. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And we'll see you guys when we get to camp.